Hey, welcome to another video talking about affiliate marketing, online entrepreneurship, working from home, online marketing. If that's what you're looking for and that's how you found the video, you're in the right place. Okay, today is really focusing on this whole work from home thing. For obvious reasons, the last few years, working from home has become even more popular and even more valued. If you think about it, gas prices, wardrobe prices, time spent in traffic or on the bus, and, the value of that time commuting, it's a big deal. Not to mention that when you learn how to make money online from home, you're not just covering the very obvious benefits of that. You're increasing the potential, your earning potential greatly, many times over. So that's why we're here talking today, and that's what many people are looking for. So how do you go about that when you don't know where to start? And let me tell you, because I've been there, you can spend a lot of time researching, trying to reinvent the wheel, trying to come up with a product to sell, looking into, are you supposed to do Amazon? Are you supposed to have inventory? Are you supposed to do drop shipping? The shortest distance to your first income online, and it can become a very large income, is affiliate marketing. And when you establish your first, 5-10 grand a month in affiliate marketing, then you can get adventurous in all kinds of ways. If you want to sell on eBay or Amazon or drop shipping or something like that. But that's why I'm talking about affiliate marketing. And if that's what you're looking for and you're not sure, affiliate marketing is very, very simple. There's products and services online, obviously, for sale. Many hundreds, thousands of these companies have affiliate programs. All that means is you and I, as independent marketers at home, sign up for free. We become an affiliate. And all we do is send traffic to their offer. Every time a purchase is made, a commission goes into your account. Pretty simple. It almost sounds too simple. And let me tell you, it's not. That's exactly what affiliate marketing is. But obviously, there are some things, or everyone would be doing it and making a ton of money. It still takes the effort and time to build it. You still have to know, okay, how do you get lots and lots of people to that offer that makes you commission? And let me tell you, you're not on the phone or anything like that. It's automated, but you have to know how to do it. So lots of people seeing an offer you're promoting, commissions start to build up. And I can also tell you from experience, if you want to be motivated to continue your own online income at home, get your first commission. That'll keep you motivated. It feels different than any other way you've ever made money, especially when you start making enough per month to not need a job. And as far as affiliate marketing goes, there's everything, every kind of product or service you could imagine and then some. There's so many opportunities for products to support, to promote that can earn you commissions. Whether you're into the tech world, the banking world, the health and fitness, any spiritual self-improvement, it's all out there. You can pick your niche even, something that you even enjoy, and promote that product. So, how though? Where do you begin and how do you do it? I'm going to give you kind of a secret here, how you go about this and be effective when you don't know where to start, haven't done it before, or maybe you have some experience. You need to know how to sell a client, and again, this is all automated online. It's not in person or on the phone or anything, but you need to know how to offer the prospects enough value to convert them in higher numbers. So by the time they see the offer you're promoting, they're already sold and a lot more people will buy. By learning this value ladder, you'll bring people in and have them so excited to buy, you'll have a powerful business. And to learn that, you're going to want to do that step by step. Maybe right now you're still saying, I still don't know what you're talking about. Maybe it sounds good, but here's what I mean. It's as simple as this. Start at A, and anyone can do A. Then go to B, anyone can do B. Then go to C, and anyone can do C, D, E, F, G, all the way to Z. From A through Z, now you will know what you're doing, and now you'll have a business built. And when you do that, how do you build something you've never built before? As I've said, how do you build a mansion you've never had before? Well, a brick at a time. In the beginning, you're not quite sure how you're going to do it, but at the end, it will all make sense. That's how you learn a new skill, piece by piece. And what I recommend is don't waste a lot more time. You can build an income relatively quickly. I mean, think about the time people spend in school and things like that. They invest 2 years, 4 years, 8 years, 16 years. It's amazing what you can do in 6 months to a year at home by building affiliate marketing. So let me cut it short here. I have a free video series, and it's going to start this process I'm talking about to show you the blueprint, show you the plan, make sense of how you do this business for yourself at home, where to get all the tools, and if you want further learning even, you can get it, further support. I'm going to show you for free the blueprint and the steps to take. But then I can offer, I'm not selling like a course of mine. I'm promoting giving it to you for free, and I'm promoting the best tools to use. When I started, I didn't have, $1,000, $1,500, $1,200 to buy an affiliate marketing course. So because I found a way to do it, I can show you how. Anyway, the free video series, the link is down in the description and on the screen here. Just go sign up for it for free. You'll get some short videos sent to you each day for 7 days. You'll start looking forward to them because it's going to start painting a picture, constructing in your mind how you do this. In fact, when you're done, you'll know a lot more than you do right now and than most people do about affiliate marketing. Also, there is a link to my Facebook group down there. If you just want to poke around for free and ask some questions, you can do that as well. But I definitely recommend signing up for the free video series at onlineforincome.net. And either way, I wish you success one way or the other. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.